Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about how to use split screen on iPhone on iOS devices. So keep watching this video until then. Guys, you need to download split screen application from App Store. Guys, I have written the article about this topic and article link in description. You can download split screen application from my article link and article link in description. First of all, open this application on your iPhone after downloading from App Store or my article link, and this interface you can see you can playing YouTube, Facebook, Google. I am playing YouTube and Google you can see appears on screen. Now you can using YouTube any application on split screen. You can up to down. Here you can see up to down, and Google easy way by this method. Guys, you can download this application from App Store or my article link in description. Please like, comment, or subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.